So this is the end of the year. If you have not started looking at your raw material prices and your shipping prices, you should be doing that right now. I try to do it like around December, so at the first of the year I can update my website with all the current pricing. Be sure that you're looking at your wax prices, the oil prices, and the shipping specifically, because you may have to alter your pricing to your client to make sure that you're still profitable. Shipping goes up every year, so make sure that if you offer free shipping, especially, make sure that you adjust that. Just check your prices, because this is the cat. This cat, look at the cat. Say hello, since you want to bother me. He's so needy. The other cat is not like this. He's very needy. But anyway, check your prices is the point I'm trying to make. I try to do it once a year because I don't like changing prices on my website several times a year. So I do it in January. I make sure that all the prices are with the same profit margins and all that, so that everything is good to go. And most of the candle suppliers take their pricing increases around this time for the first of the year as well. So you want to check that. You want to check and make sure that they're still offering the scents that you have. Make sure they haven't made any changes to them, because Candle Science is good for that. They'll make some changes. They won't, well, I don't want to say they won't tell you, but mine go to my spam, so I don't see it. So just, those types of things. End of the year upkeep.